What is going on, guys? Oh god, that was bad. What's going on, you guys? It's Marlin here. Make sure you're subscribed if you haven't done so already. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on all my videos. On a side note, today my carbon fiber HR hood is coming in the mail. Yes, an HR hood. I know this is a DE. People in the comments are gonna be like, oh my god, you have a DE. Why are you an HR hood? It goes with the motor. I know, I just like the way it looks. Anyway, we're not gonna be doing an install on the hood today, but we're just gonna be unboxing it, doing the first impression. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you when it gets here in about, I think about an hour and a half, and we'll do the unboxing and everything. See you guys then. For you guys. This is the HR hood. Carbon fiber HR hood. I am so stoked. I cannot wait to get this thing in the car. You guys have no idea. But I'm gonna finish unboxing this thing, and then I'll probably take it outside, but I won't be doing the install today. But I just wanted you guys to see my unboxing of the carbon fiber HR hood, and I'll do a follow-up video to show you guys what it looks like on the car. And like I said, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace out.